2, 3. Okay. Alright, so in theory, in multicast, you have two approaches. First is a source-based tree. Alright, so in source-based tree, you have a source here. This is a multicast center. Okay, so when you have a receiver here, these are all the receiver. So what these actually do is that you have, of course, this is the network. Okay, you have this. Okay, so this is the sender and this is the receiver. Okay, so in this case, because this one will be the root of the topology. Okay, so in this case, the sender is the root. So the sender is the root. Okay, so it has the optimal, or you can call it the shortest path. Okay, from here this is the root, this is the receiver, so we have the shortest path. Okay, it's the optimal path. Okay, but the problem with this one is that you have one tree, it's like this. It's good for one-to-many application. Okay, one-to-many application is good. But what is bad is that it is, let's say if you have 1,000 sender, how many tree you need to have? 1,000 sender. You need 1,000 trees. So your routers have to support the 1,000 tree state information. Okay, so it is not scalable. Alright, it is not scalable. This approach is not scalable. Okay, but it's good for this thing. Nearest optimal path, you have the shortest path. Okay, in order for you to be scalable, you need to have a shared tree. So shared tree means that you have a sender here. All these sender, they're going to connect it unicast to the rendezvous point. Alright? So this is a RP, you call it a rendezvous point. Alright? So basically, before you configure a PIM network, you need to set up the rendezvous point. Okay? So all these sender will send it to the rendezvous point. Then you have the receiver here. All these receiver here. Okay? Okay, even there's a receiver here. Okay? Okay, like this. So over here, here is multicast. Okay? And the tree is shared. It's a shared tree. Okay. So in source tree, the definition is SG. Okay? This one is star G. Okay? Alright, so in this case, it is scalable. But then the bad thing is it is suboptimal path. Okay, you see here to here is very near, correct? Near. Okay, here to here is very near. But then you have to go like this. This to come here. This go like this. So it's a suboptimal path. Okay? So in theory, you have two of these for the multicast. Source tree and also the share tree. Okay?